bling.
Bing, bing.
See?
And he thinks
This is
bling.
the firework that you buy
From your
if
brand.
you're a black person.
Yeah, Brandon bought it. It says bling bling. Does this say bing bing?
It was the cheapest one that shot a bunch of shells at one time, so we didn't have to do anything but watch it.
My bling, a bling a ding ding, dunga 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 ding a ding a ding ding. Hell yeah, bling a bling bling a ding, bling a ling a ling a ling, ding 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 a ding.
Alright, enough bing a ding ding ding, and then let's go like
Hey, look, there's a lot of them in there. Bling, a bling a ding a ding, bling a bling a bling a bling a bling bling bling, bling, bling bling, bling a ding ding ding, bling a ding ding, ding a dong bling. Move your big pumpkin ass head.
Yeah, they're flying everywhere like little fish. Oh, they're getting bigger. Oh, they're getting fun. Oh my gosh, it's going. Oh, lippity, tappity, doodly dee, doodly dee, lappity, dappity, doodly dee, babbity dee.
Oh. Oh, what happened? Where'd it go? Oh, there's a big one. Oh, more big one.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Fuck yeah.
Oh, shit, that one did work. Oh, motherfucker, that was badass. I wish I would have had it on tape.
You didn't have it on tape?
That one came at us.
I know.
They
that's
both
too
did.
much.
I think